you see the example in first canto, Pandavas. Pandava Arjun. He was a great devotee, or he is a great devotee. And Sakya, he's a Saketi of Krishna, Krishna Saketi, a friend of Krishna. And this Gaurava Sakyarati. Gaurava Sakyarati. It's Sakyarati, it's friendship with some Gaurav, some respect, some honor, some distinction. Not so much intimacy, equality, or even one-upmanship. And the Vishramba Sakyarati of the coward boys, Subal and Sridham, they say, hey Krishna, you're not strong. I'm Subal. I defeated you yesterday. Why are you jumping around, prancing around, boasting? Ha ha. Be quiet. Boom. And Subal throws him down. I defeated you, Krishna. Carry me on your shoulders. Subal sits on Krishna's shoulder like a king riding on a lion. A king riding on an elephant. Ha! I am Subal. I've defeated Ajit, Krishna. We're discussing the great devotees depicted in the Bhagavad. Pandava Arjun. And we're comparing this unique quality that's exhibited by the Braja Gopis. This one word, this one phrase says it all. It sounds like advertising, right? One word says it all. Fabulous. They describe some movie, sometimes the reviewers and famous newspapers. Fabulous. They use one word describes it all. Fantastic. So one word, one phrase, Grihita Manasa. Manasa means mind. How many times in the Bhagavad Puran do you find the word Manasa? Thousands of times, thousands of padas and shlokas. But how many times do you find the combination Grihita Manasa? 18,000 shlokas, charpada each shloka, sometimes more. Once in 29th chapter, Rasa Panchadhyaya, verse 4. This one phrase, 18,000 verses, 351 chapters in the 10th canto of Bhagavatam. So many padas, so many words. This phrase distinguishes and establishes the unique quality of the Braja Gopis' pure love for Krishna, the highest limit of their divine love, the perfect expression of immaculate divine love. And Madhurya Rati, the most intimate, most confidential, satisfying, fulfilling relationship of conjugal love, romantic love, amorous love, God and His beloveds, the Nayak and the Nayaka, in Vrindavan, the Ras Leela, Grihita Manasa, because this phrase Grihita Manasa means self-forgetful. They forgot their surroundings, they forgot their bodies. It says their bodies and their duties and other people around them. But they also forgot themselves. I'm showing how this idea is not found anywhere in the Bhagavatam from 1st canto to 12th canto. Uddhava Mahashaya, all the great devotees, Markandeya Rishi, or all through the Bhagavatam, from 1st to 12th canto. You'll not find this quality as self-forgetful. I'm giving the example of Pandava Arjun, such a great devotee. He's a Saketi, but Gaurava Sakya. Some official, sometimes little fear comes in that relationship. Oh Krishna, you're my friend, but you're actually Bhagavan. You're Aishvarya, Vibhuti mat sattvam, yat urjitam. Yat Vibhuti sattvam, you have so much Vibhuti, so much Shakti, so much power, Virata Rup. I'm becoming fearful. I'm trembling, I'm about to faint. Oh Krishna, I didn't realize who you are. I thought you were my friend. I sat with you on the same bed. We shared food together. We rode in the chariot through the forest. And we hunted together. We played chess together. We did so many things together like my friend. But I didn't know. I didn't realize that you are God. You're Bhagavan. Oh, awe, reverence, respect, which means formality, distance, and a lack of intimacy and love. This is called Gaurava Sakyarati. But Braj Sakyarati is Vishrambena, without any Vishramba, without this distance and without this formality and without this outward respect. But I feel equal to Krishna, I feel superior to Krishna. I can ride on Krishna's shoulders. If Krishna's eating food, I can take it out of his mouth and eat it, because I'm Subal. Can Arjun reach over to the mouth of Dwarkadish or to Krishna and grab the rasgulla that Rukmini made and take out of his mouth? Impossible. There's restriction, there's formality, there's yama niyam, rules of etiquette and codes of chivalry and proper royal behavior. They can't behave like rowdy boys, unruly young boys. But the coward boys, there are no rules or regulations. As they say in Vrindavan, in love, there's no rules. And in rules, there's no love. It's a material phrase. Obviously, in the rules and regulations exhibited by Maryada Avatar, there's plenty of love in Ram Leela. And there's plenty of love in Vishnu Leela, because they're gods of love. Vishnu is a god of prem, or love. Ram is a god of prem. But the Prem Purushottam, who's designated, honored, and distinguished throughout the Veda, the Prem Purushottam Bhagavan is the one and only Eki Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. First canto Bhagavatam. Canto 1, chapter 3, verse 28. Vyasmuni's saying. So the example of Pandavarjuna, he's a friend, so much intimacy, Sakyarati, Nitya Parishad of Krishna, Dwarkadish Krishna. But he doesn't have this quality of self-forgetful. Doesn't forget who he is. Because one minute he thinks, I am Arjun. I am the son of Pandu. I am one of the Panch Pandav. And my friend, that's who I am, and he's God. He's not Krishna. He's showing me Virat Rup on the chariot. Senayor Ubayor Madhye. In the middle of the Senapatis. I asked Krishna to draw my chariot. Hey, Krishna. Hey, my friend. Hey, Madhav. Drive my chariot. Senayor Ubayor Madhye. It's in Bhagavad Gita. Krishna, you drive my chariot into the Madhya, in the middle of the Senapati. Senapati means commanders. The Maharatis and the Atiratis. Duryodhan, Bhim, all these great warriors. Kripacharya, Dristadumna, all the great, and the Dronacharya, the great Maharatis, Natiratis, the Senapatis, the commanders of the armies. And you did that. But now you're Vishnu, Virat Rup. I'm a mere Pandav. He's not self-forgetful. Then later he says, yes, I must pick up my bow. I am Gandiva Raj. I am Gandiva Dhara. May Gandiva Dhara Hun. Yes, I will pick up my bow. Now I will fight as a Kshatriya. So he doesn't forget his Varna Dharma. He doesn't forget his family. He doesn't forget his identity. He doesn't forget his duty. His duty as a Kshatriya to pick up his bow. He's a bowman. He's not self-forgetful. The gopis forget everything. Their bodies, their duties, their families, their relationships, their gotras, everything. Because of Krishna Vamshi. Because of divine love, Madhurya Rati, Mahabhav. Grihita Manasa. So the acharyas say Grihita Manasa means self-forgetful. What Arjun can never forget. What any other bhakta can never forget. Their name, their lineage, their identity, their gotra. The gopis forgot it all. This is amazing, unique quality. The greatest lovers of God, the Braja Gopis.